Hello friends, my name is Vineet. I am from YouTube. Today I am going to start a new journey called English. Today I am going to tell you a thing. Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo lies in Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn near the equator. So they speak Badu language. Some has flown. No, not flown. Some has moved to cities and cities are working in mines and factories. So friends, today flora and fauna are found in the rivers are full of alligator, crocodile and varieties of fish. The greenery like this are filled with elephants and wild animals. So,
And they are so dangerous, do
and
you know?
they are so dangerous, they can walk over our head. So that's for all today. Bye. We'll meet our next video. Like, share and subscribe.